Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. My name is Mandla Gingirikani. Welcoming you back to another episode. Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the red button, it's written subscribe, and then also click the clock. Indicate the clock so that whenever we do our videos, you're the first to receive it. You're the first to receive it. So let's dive right into it. So King Monada released a video of himself in studio working. And everyone is like, oh, is the king about to release something big? Is the king about to release something big? And then the internet blew up. He was trending on Facebook, he was trending on Twitter because of that video, guys. And then Twitter went abuzz, people were talking about it, we're all crazy, people love King Monada, guys. You can't deny him. The guy is just good, Yeah, that's the king in studio working, cooking something for us. I'm just not sure if it's gonna be a hit. I'm just not sure if it's gonna be a banger. But I know the guy never disappoints. Whenever he releases something, the guy actually delivers, guys. So I know, I trust him. I believe in him. I know that if he releases something, it's gonna be a banger. And we who love the music of King Monada, we actually are so used to him that if it's December like this, we are not okay when there's no song coming from him. I feel like December without him is not complete. So unfortunately, people can release songs, but we need King Monada to release. We are used to that. We are so used to that. I think since he released Skabora Moreki and he released Malwete, Benz, Chilochaka, we are not so used to him releasing these hits. So if it's December and there's no King Monada, it feels dry, it feels like it's a little dry. And I'm not saying that other guys haven't released and their music is not good enough. I'm just saying that we also need that aspect of his music. We, as much as we love Amapiano, we also want to hear what King Monada has in store for us. And it looks like he's cooking something. something good. I hope it's something very good. Like, if you are a King Monada addict like me, you don't operate well when it's December and there's no song coming from him. I know he did a song with Tejo. I know he did a song with Gigi Lame. I know he did a song with Maskey. I know he did a song with DJ Tira and so many other people. So, but if the King hasn't released something for himself, that is originally him alone, we are not okay, because since Kabora Mureki, Molamo, to all those songs, Benz, Chilochaka, all those songs, we are so used to his bangers. So we are just hoping that this one will be a banger as well. But I know the guy never disappoints. He's never disappointed. Guys, do you remember when he performed Skabora Muriki in 2017 at the Moses Mabhida Stadium? It was a banger, The crowd was crazy. It was electrifying. It was electricity. Everyone was charging there, Are you ready
for 2017? 20 seconds. 20 seconds to 2017.
And I was fortunate to see him perform live at the Giyani Stadium.
Thank you. Kala wanchu mnataka na damu yake leo chapo zile shamba.
So the guy can perform well. His dancing, you know, his moves on stage. The guy can perform. He does not only give you bangers. He does not only give us hits. He also performs them. King Monada. So I just hope it's gonna be a banger. I know people were saying that, oh, King Monada, has he forgotten that it's December is just 3 weeks away? Has he forgotten that December is 3 weeks away? And why is he not recording? You know, we were waiting for him, and now he's back and he's here. So we're all happy that King Monada is in studio cooking something. People are like saying, is it gonna give Amapiano the final kick? You know, I know Ekom is gone, and now Amapiano is still here. You know, Amapiano is very stubborn, guys. Don't play around with Amapiano. It's very, very stubborn. So I'm not sure if he's gonna compete with that, but we love Amapiano. I mean, come on, guys. We love Amapiano. We love King Monada. We love all music. You know, so many people have released songs this year. And most of them actually work so hard, AKA, Maske, they all release nice bangers. I just hope that this one coming from King Monada is going to be a banger as well, because we cannot operate. We cannot go to December without King Monada. We are used to that. So, we've been waiting. We've all been waiting. Everyone has been waiting. But now it's finally here. I just hope it's going to come out soon, because December is just around the corner, guys. And we want to start. We want him to officially launch it. When he releases that song, that will be the official launch of December. Tell me, comment down below. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Subscribe. It's for free. You don't get charged for it. You don't pay. It's for free. Just subscribe. Just hit the red button and hit the notification bell, so that whenever we do our videos, you are the first to receive it, huh? I'm thirsty. Guys, that's all I had for you today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm thirsty. Hey, dinadora. Go make Salute. Hey,